This is the website we built for TidyCan, Alabama, a firefighter-owned trash can cleaning service in North Alabama. The promise is right up front: fresh bins, no hassle, no smell. A sign-up button sits one tap away, backed by a 200-degree high-temperature clean. The story leads with the owner. Firefighter-owned, locally run, and done right, with real reviews from North Alabama neighbors. Simple, transparent pricing is laid out side by side. One-time, bi-monthly, monthly, and quarterly plans, so a homeowner can pick one and book in seconds. It shows the work, not just the words. A real clean, explained step by step, so the value is obvious before anyone calls. Reviews turn happy neighbors into searchable proof that the service delivers. A clear FAQ answers everything a homeowner needs to know before signing up. Best of all, it is built to win local search. So when someone types "trash can cleaning near me," this is the result they find and trust. This is BlakSheep Creative, custom websites that turn local searches into booked jobs. Learn more at BlakSheepCreative.com.